Hello, Professor. Hello, everybody. We are here to talk on Sprint 2 and an updated presentation. There were a couple of things which could have been improved in the last one, which we have tried to work upon and do justice to the work. Also, in the last presentation, we were a bit hasty, and we want to make sure that we are not hasty in this one. I mean, we cannot assure completely of that, but we'll try to take care of it as much as we can and be as clear and precise and keep it of a shorter length than what it was, even if considering we have a more number of slides right now. So we'll start. As you know, we are working on InvestMate. It is a financial platform. Uh, and first, let us talk about the agenda. So the whole presentation is divided into segments. First, I'll introduce my team members again because there are a couple of ifs and offs. We didn't have pictures or something the last time. Also, we have updated a few pictures in the wiki, and we have git committed to a repository. So team members, project overview, personas, tech stack, schedule. It is exactly as Sprint documented. And then the team agreement, as we had it the last time, the retrospective and the wiki link, which I don't think has changed much, but we have added few things there. So it's something definitely to check. Um, so yeah, we comprise of 6 people, uh, and we are trying to meet as much as we can and brainstorm and also understand each other's creative input. Uh, Here are names. Again, it is summarized. It's just an extension of the previous slide. So what we have changed here, couple of images we have added, couple of diagrams, which I would say statistical diagrams. We tried to do a little market analysis this time. Actually, in the past weekend, we have tried to document it here. And also we have tried to extend bit on technologies arm. So there we go. And I think from now on, my colleague Mani Chandana will be taking over.
So, hi everyone. So, we are going with problem statement. So, many individuals between the ages of 18 to 25 who want to participate in this whole while train but are having a hard time of finding resources of knowledge and experience in the real world of finance are perplexed by a state of affairs on today's financial industry. So, even if you confront the concepts taught in the classroom on an intellectual level, you find it difficult to put them into the practice in real world situations. This causes still gap between your financial techniques and your educational background. So this results from the structure expensive complexity as well as the people fear of losing money, which is a major concern in education platforms. That should be have an approach that is a learner based and easy to follow. And we can go to the project description next. So we are Pay Super Kings. The project description is for young individuals aged 18 to 25 navigating complexities of modern finance. The proficiency gap between academic learning and practical investment strategies poses significant challenges. These gaps stemming from the intricate nature of financial system and the fear of monetary loss highlights the need of an educational platform. So this platform aims to empower young investors with the confidence and acknowledgement to engage efficiently in the global financial landscape. Unlike the traditional educational resources that may not fully address real world application, but our application helps everyone to have perfect investment strategies. So the outcome is like there are numerous advantages and results from putting the place of educational platform designed to help young people understand the capacity of finance. So enhanced financial literacy. The platform would help users become more knowledgeable about financial terms, concepts, and enabling them to make well-informed choice about safe investments and financial planning. So, increases confidence. The platform would increase users' confidence in navigating financial markets and successfully managing their own finance by offering real-world examples and practical knowledge. There's a risk aversion decreased. Users may grow more tolerant of risk and feel more at ease investigating investing options as they learn more about financial concepts and obtain real world experience through case studies or stimulated trading. So, improve ability to make decisions. Users can improve their skills without individualized feedback and interactive learning courses. So, here we are giving our GitHub link. And next, personas will continue by Venkatesh.
Yeah, hi everyone. So as we have told in the description that we have basically targeted the people of aging from 18 to 25. So in this project, we are just trying to get them to our goal is to acquire investment management skills for the better for managing of their investments. So in the first slide, we're gonna take the persona one. We have taken an example name of Priya, and her occupation is a college student in the final year aspiring to start her new own business. So our challenges is unable to balance her academic responsibilities and entrepreneurial planning and investment learning. And in the second persona, we have taken example of Sarah. Her age is like 20. So she is a college student majoring in the English lecturer, and our goal is to make her interested in learning about the personal finance and investing to start saving for the better future. And in the third persona, we have taken Michael. He is also a college student majoring in finance. So maybe our goal is to let him gain hands-on experience in the stock market using his classroom knowledge. So these are the personas and examples we have taken for our project. And the next slide will be continued by my colleague.
Hello everyone. Actually, MVP means minimum viable product. In this, we used user authentication, ML Drive, trading signals, and adaptive risk management tools, personalized learning paths. Coming to technologies. So in technologies, we have React, Node.js, MongoDB, and Skitlearn and Dockers. So React is a JavaScript liability of building users interface, practicals, single pages applications. It developed and maintained by Facebook. React also allows developers to create usable UI components, and that can be composed together to build complex interfaces. So coming to Node.js is a JavaScript runtime environment to build the Chromes and Java engines. It allowed to develop and execute the JavaScript code on the service sites. And MongoDB, it is a non-SQL actually database that stores the data in flexible documents. It is designed for scalability performance. And Skitlearn is a machine learning language liable for Python that provides simple and efficient tools for the data analysis and machine learning too. It includes various algorithms for tasks such as classifications and regressions, cultures, and dimensions according to each and every dimensions. So AWS is Amazon Web Services. It is a cloud computing platform offered by Amazon that provides a wide range of cloud services, including computing powers, accessing computing resources, and etc. So Dockers, coming to Dockers, it is a platform for building and shipping the running applications in considerations and light lifting or something, self-sufficient units that packages and applications to developing together. Dockers also allows to develop to create consistency of environment, etc. These all technologies are common to used in modern software development projects, and it's offering various capabilities and benefits too for building all these and developing and management web developments and everything. Next, continued by my friend.
Oh, hi everyone. So to make our project more impactful and personalized as possible, we are using machine learning algorithms. In this, we basically used three of them. They are random forest, logistic regression, and k-means clustering. The random forest algorithm predicts the trends in the trading to make trading more impactful and make it easy to learn. And logistic regression usually classifies the risk in adaptive management so that the stock, if it is going to be down or the high end, so the person can cash out before the crash. And k-means clustering tailors the content, makes the learning path very easy. Next slide, please. And so basically, this is a conceptual diagram of the project. You can also call it as a blueprint. It shows how data is stored and retrieved from our database, and you can see this is kind of a backend logic. And yeah, so coming to class diagram, it provides a closer look at the system structure. By it also defines the relationships. We ensure the code is organized, reusable, and easy to maintain. So this is a sequence diagram. It further narrows our focus. It shows the sequence of operations that occur during a specific interaction. So for example, when a user initiates a trading stimulation, this diagram maps out each step from the user's request. So this is a state diagrams which represents the actions of each individual users. You can go to next diagram.
I guess this is the next.
Okay. Further, my friends will continue.
So, here these are the user stories and acceptance criteria. So here we created a table with the subroles, role, goal, reason, and acceptance criteria. So the sign up and login functionality, access to trading simulation, risk management tools, and personalized learning paths, real-time market data and simulations, and secure data handling. These are the goals, and the reasons are access platform features, learn trading risk-free, understand and manage trading risk, engage trading knowledge, realist trading experience, and confidence in platform use. And we have the acceptance criteria here. Sign up with email, login with email and password, reset options, and trading simulations and feedback trading decisions, and visibility of strategy risk, suggestions for risk mitigations, and topic selection based on internet, and display of live market prices, and secure storage of personal information. Next slide. This is a sprint backlog. Here we have a table of feature description, priority, and status. So here we can see everything which was all done. Next, burn down chart. This is the flow chart of this. Next, so team velocity is like 25 story points. And then this is our team agreement. I hope we all are stand on this. So next,
So yeah, now coming to the sprint, like the retrospective of this week. I think the retrospective of this week went well. Like we got some points like frequent grid commits and taking frequent meetings, sprint meetings, and we are able to manage the work. You can see all the points we had this week over here. And if we, the next slide. We have actually connected the API with the front end. So API stands for like the connection between the front end to the development. Yeah, so we had actually planning to do this for the sprint 3. So it would be very useful to us. And yeah, this is our wiki link. So the API updates. Yeah, we're gonna use this in the next sprint. We'll be able to bring livestock market data, and we will be able to connect the database and all the current operations successful. Yeah. Now my friend will continue from it.
So these are the screenshots of the authentication and the homepage which we have built in this past week and a week prior to that. As I think my colleague Manichandana said, that we are moving across with a velocity of 25 story points. Well, there's no particular standard to measure that, but we are hoping, as we are in just a second sprint, we are hoping to regulate a bit well on that in the next sprint as well to keep the streak going. Coming back to the screenshots, so this is just an login interface and made on React, as what Tejasvi said. Like, we have been using React and Node back and forth to communicate. Um, there's not a lot of information right now, as we are also getting started, and I think in the coming few days and few sprints, I think we would be able to demonstrate a good amount of progress. Uh, and I think that and that is a wrap. We call it off. Thank you, everybody.
thank you.